Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an ba arden mela basayo moit ber unong yalam kaliang persha mugul sangma habayatai halor ka demand for grants jang katnat pulit ha kasni ba khatdu jang ka budget session hayung darbar thawan ka jilla habashim benta ha gajinyatai ka kong shira klong ba ki ba bun ki khot ki yung darbar ki la deban pinpau ya ki ba bun ki mat ki ba kongsan khamtam ha ka bede ba ka jingsngan hasurong ka ba ka kong di shira ko ong kadi ka jing e ka bakata om tangi ki MLA Henry ya ki pai ba ka jila baro ko wei kala ka dawru bagat nat pulit kadi ka wei na kilat ai kam ai jam ka ba kongsan tam na ka banta ki samla ka jila kumta kala banjur ba ka sarkar kadi ban shimkya ban pindap iki kam bathli ban pinkran ya ka jing thungkam ha kadi ka tnan Habakran halor ki women police personnel kalau ong bakat kum ki juba bala ai do sumbut menteri rang ba ha ki jingkeli ha ying darbar la shem ba ha ki babun ki police station ha ki district ba pher amdan ki sanction post na ka banta ki pulit kynthei kalau ong bakat ki kalong ka ba pen sngok khya ba wat la ha ki ba kat to kat ni ki jaka la pen bet da ba pha shipor ki pulit kynthei ban trei ha ki police station Ray kalong, ba kalong kabadan kam pamanla ki police station kendani ki benta balamang kerpang na ka benta ki pulit kynthei. Shushu kalong ba wat haki women police station ki badan haki district ba pher ru ladon bun ki jaka bathli haki sanction post ka ba ka sarkar kariban shimkya ban pendap kloy. Ka kong shira klak friend halor ka jingnang jurjung ki cyber crime bar ki online scam ha ka jilla Kadgum ka jing ong jong ka bun ki pat ba la ki long ki bala nang na start na ki ba kham duna ha ka jing nang jing start kila shak ta na ki kam thok na mar ka jing yo rung sup ha internet ba ki social media kala banjur ba ka jila ka don kam ban pin khlan ka cyber crime cell kham tam ha ka juk ba ka technology ka nang ki stand bar ka jing yo pun kam ya ka artificial intelligence kabala ban sha pendon kam bakla ban pin sapyang ki khubor lamler ba jing lam bakla kham tam ha ka por
about the vehicular accidents and the road safety issues that the state is confronted with. And the Honorable Member from Songsak, many valid and insightful points regarding the road safety issues that is being confronted. Therefore, sir, I only want to say that I also support these issues, and it is a major cause of concern for all the members of this August House as well as the people of the state. Sir, also regarding the jobs, the employment through the police department is one of the very, very important source of employment for our youths. Therefore, sir, I would like not to dwell on these points because all other members have already raised the issues with great detail. So just few more points that I would like to raise in this cut motion, sir. Regarding the women police personnel in all of the police stations. Sir, through the answers and the information provided by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the unstart questions, we could see how many women police personnel are posted in the police stations, in the different police stations, in different districts. Sir, it is very alarming to see that in most of the police stations, there are no sanction posts for the women police personnel. Of course, most of the police stations, they have deployed the women police personnel. They have deployed the women police personnel to be made available in these police stations because it is compulsory to have a woman police personnel in all the police stations. But sir, even in the women police stations in the different districts, we can see a huge number of vacancies in respect to the sanction posts, sir. So therefore, sir, I would like to request through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, if we can get an assurance that all these sanction posts are filled up at the earliest and new creation of posts for women police personnel in respect of the police stations wherein no sanction posts for the women police personnel are not available be made. Sir, the other point that I'd like to make is regarding the cyber crimes and the online scams that is happening. I think this is a problem which is confronted with, I think, a lot of the people, of the uneducated lot, and also the educated lot, because of the easy access to internet, sir. Through social media or even through maybe some kind of messages, and there are different types of crimes that are being reported in today's day and age. Therefore, sir, it is very, very important to strengthen the cyber crime cell in the state. And also with the emergence and advent of artificial intelligence, I think it's very dangerous now, especially for elections, especially for, wrongfully disseminating information and misleading people. I think it's very, very dangerous. Now, when we look at all these crimes that are being committed online, we know that there is no kind of justice delivery system for all these criminal activities, because we don't have the expertise to trace who are the perpetrators. Now we have to make sure that we strengthen this cyber criminal cell, sir, because we don't know what is coming our way, and technology is moving so fast. We don't even know what all new technologies are coming in the next month, in the next week. We don't know. But we have to make sure that our state is equipped to deal with all these criminal activities. Sir, for example, I would like to mention that during elections, one of my Twitter account was hacked, and I could never access it again. And multiple, trials of trying to hack my other social media accounts also I encountered personally. This is my personal experience. But I have also experienced with a number of citizens from older generation. They are being fed wrong informations, and money is being siphoned off from their account by giving them wrong information. So, and so forth, we all know what kind of criminal activities are going on. So therefore, sir, I'd like to request through you that this be taken into serious consideration. Also, I remember one incident just when the election was around the corner, one fake letter which was issued from the letterpad of Honorable Member from Songsak, saying that he, being the leader of a party, and other followers are joining the BJP. These are the kind of wrong information that is being circulated through online criminal activities. Now, once the FIR is made and people know it's wrong, but then what about the legal redressal? We do not have it. What about justice? We don't have it. So, sir, these are just few examples which we have encountered personally. But there are so many more serious offenses that are being committed online, regarding women and children, videos, different kind of, wrong information, illegal videos which are not acceptable, sexually explicit videos, and all kinds of criminal activities. which are freely being able to circulate because our cyber crime cells are very weak. We are not equipped. We need expertise. Therefore, it is the need of the hour of the government to look into this matter. And I'm sure that the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister would agree with me, Mr. Chairman, sir, that this is a cause of concern and the department needs to look into this serious issue that we are being confronted with. Sir, all other points I think other honourable members have already discussed at length with great detail, so I would not like to dwell much. So with these few points, I'd like to support the cut motion and resume my seat. Thank you, sir.